be doing a deck profile. Today's deck profile is Gouki Codebreaker. I've been working on this for about a week. There's a few things I'll change in the future, but let's go ahead and get into the deck profile. This is a pretty budget deck. Cost around, I'd say, 50-60 bucks. And it can definitely crush the meta, some of the meta. Well, enough talk, let's just get into it. So, first of all, we have triple copies of Gouki Super X. So what Gouki Super X does is he summons from hand a Gouki, which is not once per turn if it's normal summoned. And all the Goukis have the same effect, where if they hit the grave from the field, they get to search a Gouki card from deck to hand. So there's 3 Gouki Super X. Triple copies of Twist Cobra. I'm not playing 2 because it's good at 3. We like to max out most Goukis because we kind of just like seeing their names. 2's not enough of this card. You play a lot of grind games, so I personally think that 3's correct. This format, you could eventually cut it down to 2. Basically what he does is the same thing as all the other Goukis, search when it leaves the field, but it attributes and it gains the attack of whatever it attributed. So 3 Twist Cobras. We ran triple Octo Stretch. The main reason I ran triple Octo Stretch is 2's okay and 1's bad. I see a lot of people running 1 on the internet, which is completely incorrect in this build. I personally think triple Octo Stretch is the best for any Gouki Codebreaker build, so run triple. And I'll tell you the other ones why we didn't run some of them. Triple of him, he's also a hand trap, which has any damage done to you by discarding it. Triple Headbat Batman, we have Batman right here. Pretty much what he does is when you discard a Gouki, you can discard a Gouki from your hand and it special summons it, targeting one on the field and giving it 800. So basically, it works with any. It's Batman, basically. It's the best Gouki, in my opinion. We have Double Guts. So the reason why we're running 5 level 5s instead of 4 or 6 is because you don't want to see Guts in hand. You rather see Octo Stretch because he's a hand trap. Guts you want to summon through his Zold or add off something. That's why we really don't play him at 3. And one of these, that makes no sense. So yeah, play 3-2 or 2-2. I think 3-2 is the best in this build. So that's it for the main Goukis. Then we have the 2 bricks, kinda. Unless you draw Super X. 2 combo pieces, I guess. We have Bear Hug, Rice Scorpio. So Scorpio, if you control all Goukis or no cards on the field, normal summon them without attributing. And Bear Hug, basically what Bear Hug does is when he's special summoned by a Gouki card, he can have the attack of a card on the field. So that's pretty nice. So that's it for the whole Gouki package. I'll tell you a couple of Gouki cards I didn't run. So Ring Trainer, we didn't run because he sucks going first. I feel he's more entitled to a hand trap oriented build. Moonsault's kind of bad. I guess if you're running 1-ofs in the deck, then you could run Moonsault, but there's not any good 1-ofs in Goukis right now. Iron Claw's pretty bad, and Tag Partner doesn't do much because we can play Nightmare Griffin if we need to. Triple Neo Space Connector. I really don't like this card in Gouki. I love this card, but I don't like it in Gouki. It's just 2 warriors, I guess, and then 2 dolphins because I like to add 1 most of the time, and then summon it off the Thunder Ogre. So there we go. This is a 1 card Zold. It's really good. It also can dodge hand traps if you need to. Triple Goblinberg. I'm only running 3 because I can't run any more. 2's not enough, I guess. You don't want to, if you play Arm Knight, you don't want to play this because it misses timing, but the Photon Thrasher and 2 Captain. So this is all I run for the extenders. I was running double jump forward, but I don't have enough space in the deck currently. So if I have more space, then I probably throw in some jump forwards. So that's it for the main monsters. Then we have the 2 combo pieces. 0 Day. So basically what 0 Day is the most broken Codebreaker monster. Kinda. He's just basically a level 4 warrior. We don't really use his second effect. He makes everything pointing to him. Lose 1,000. We play triple rematch. 2's not enough. It's not bricky, surprisingly. I thought it would be bricky. It's not. Drawing 1 or 2 of these is actually really fine, because you're going to be drawing a lot of warriors, since we run huge count. Next, we ran Equip Spells, Phoenix Blade, DDR, and Unagi Stand. I think these are the personal best ones of the whole deck. This one buffs up any monster besides Power Load Ogre. This one, if you hard draw it, you can get a free summon off any card that you banish. And this one, it's not once per turn, it's loopable. We have Reasoning, because we run only warriors. It's basically just warrior. If they call it, it's not too bad, because we run a bunch of different levels, let's just say that. So there we go. Rhoda, I was going to run an older Rhoda, but I couldn't find it, so I'm just running this ugly one. It searches a warrior. Reborn, and Foolish, plus 1 for 1. So Foolish, I don't like in this deck, personally. I think it's kind of bad, but it comes up once in a while. Honestly, you could cut this, because this is 41. So 1 for 1, and Reborn. I think I'm going to cut this card. So that's it for the main deck. Let's see. I'm going to show a combo after this. Okay, so for the extra deck, we ran... So let me show my tokens. We got tokens right here. Field center. Okay, there we go. Now we got the extra deck. So we run double Power Load Ogre. You can run 3 if you have enough space. But personally, I think Appaloosa is a better card at the moment. So eventually we're going to throw in Appaloosa instead of playing a third one. We run 1 Giant Ogre. He's the MVP besides these 2. Like, he's actually crazy. You make him once in a while, he's actually really good. Gains 1,000 whenever something, I think, is equipped to him, or something like that. Plus another 300 off Phoenix Blade, so he's pretty beefy. We have Great Ogre. I would run this at 0, but personally at the format, I see a lot of people slipping up an Eldritch and placing it on attack, and then I just swing over it and then set up my whole board. Yeah, so this card's pretty good. I'd definitely run this, especially against Adamancipator. Thunder Ogre. He's okay, I guess. Mainly you're going to be summoning Connector or another Gouki like Rice Scorpio under him, but he's really nice card. I definitely run him. Jet Ogre and Heal Ogre. So these 2 are basically just generic Link 2s, but the arrows. So this one flips everything to attack. This one negates whatever it's pointing to. You don't really need that effect. I guess it came up like once out of like 20 matches, but like that's not much. So you could run 3 Power Load if you want. I don't think it's necessary though. Double's old. Triple's bad. It takes up too much space. 1's fine, but you kind of want 2, just in case. 1 Virus Berserker and 1 Virus Swordsman. These are like crazy. That's why we only run them at 1. And they take up too much space at 2. If we were running 2, we'd have to run 3 of the 0 days. Ramboral Sword, Saryuja, Equimax, and Linkuriboh. So what I'm going to do eventually is cut this for a Trigate so I can set up the Trigate board. But I think this personally, right now, is the best for the format. So that's it for the deck profile, but I got to show off a combo.
Dream.
You ready?
Go.
Now for the combo tutorial, you're going to need a Suprex and a copy of any Gouki besides Headbat. Preferably, we're going to use Rice Scorpio or Twist Cobra. So basically how this works is you're going to have to first start by normal summoning, copy of Suprex, special summoning Rice Scorpio from hand. This could be Twist Cobra, by the way. Linking these 2 to the grave for your copy of Nova Knight's Isolde. So basically how this works is you're going to go effect Isolde as Chain Link 3, and you're going to activate both their effects also. So what's going to happen is off Isolde, you're going to add Twist Cobra. If you had Twist Cobra instead, you'd be acting Rice Scorpio. You got Twist Cobra as Chain Link 3, Headbat as Chain Link 2, and Chain Link 1 will be Super X. So we're going to add a copy of Rematch. So this is our hand right here. We plus 3'd actually. We're going to go effect of his old. Dumping 1 card to the graveyard, preferably Phoenix Blade, because it's loopable and it gives 500 to a monster it's equipped to. So we're going to go ahead and just send our Phoenix Blade. Once we do that, we're going to summon Gouki Guts from the deck. So the reason why we're not summoning Octo Stretch is because we're going to add Octo Stretch throughout the combo. So if you open Octo Stretch, summon Guts, but if you open Guts, summon Octo Stretch. That's basically how it works. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go effect a Headbat, discarding a copy of Twist Cobra to the graveyard, and summoning Gouki Headbat from our hand. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a Link summon for a Link 4. There's 2 combos. You don't have to use Isolde in the second one. The Link 4 will be Gouki the Power Load Ogre. And then what's going to happen is we're going to get Chain Link 1 and Chain Link 2 as Gouki Guts. So Chain Link 1 will search Gouki Super X. Chain Link 2 will search Bear Hug. I said it the wrong way, but you know what you're searching because it's just 2 Goukis. Next, what's going to happen is you're going to activate your copy of Gouki Rematch, summoning 2 Goukis besides Twist Cobra since you added them. I think I'm going to summon Guts and Super X. If you want to play Abyss Dweller, you can. Make that clear because he's pretty easy to get on the field, as you can see. We're going to link away him for a Link Creepo. This isn't necessary, but I kind of just want to get him through just in case we summon Octo Stretch. Next what we're going to do is link these 2 into our copy of Gouki. Codebreaker Virus Swordsman. So what's going to happen is Virus Swordsman effect is going to go off, summoning a copy of Codebreaker 0 Day. He's unaffected, so he won't lose that 1,000 normally. We'll link 2 for Virus Berserker. Use effect to summon him on the right side and him on the left. Then link the 2 again for your copy of the second Power Low Ogre. So basically what's going to happen next turn is I'm not going to draw just for the sake of the combo. This is your end board. These can't be Nibiru'd. If he's destroyed by your opponent, he comes back during the end phase, and basically this is what happens. You'll normal summon, you'll special summon, you'll link 2, or you'll link 4 actually. Go ahead and make Boral Sword. Go Chain Link 1, Chain Link 2. Add Twist Cobra, Headbat, or not Twist Cobra, add your copy of Headbat and Octo Stretch. Then once you do that, you're going to go effect, pitch it, summon, and wait a minute. Wait, I did the wrong card, sorry. Wait, no, this is wrong. You're add Headbat and your Rematch. There you go. I did that wrong. You're going to activate your Rematch and immediately link 2 for 2 Goukis you haven't used yet. So I'm going to link the Jet Ogre right now and add 2 Goukis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the Twist Cobra now and our copy of Octo Stretch. So now this is the correct timing for it. Now once you're done with that, you're going to activate effect of Headbat, discarding the Twist Cobra, and linking these 2 for Giant Ogre. So these are insanely beefy. I think they're like 6,000 attack right now, or higher. This makes all monsters on the field lose attack equal to their original defense. This can attack twice and gain. So this is kind of insane. Plus 8 pops. So you kind of see where it goes. Second combo. This one's shorter. We're not going to do the after combo hand. And by the way, Bear Hug halves any attack for a monster your opponent controls. So second combo involves, we'll do Twist Cobra this time just to show. Let me read this really quick. Yeah, okay. We ran through a lot of cards in our extra deck, but it's fine. This time, we're not going to use Isolde, we're just going to do the normal combo. Normal summon, effect, he's going to summon the Twist Cobra, then we're going to link. Once we do that, we're going to link either Heal Ogre or Jet Ogre for this. I think Jet is better endgame, so we're just going to make Heal first. Heal, and then we'll go Chain Link 1, Chain Link 2. We will add Octo Stretch and a copy of Headbat. Guts is fine also. Effect, we're going to summon Headbat by discarding him, and link 2ing, or link 3ing, for a copy of Thunder Ogre. So what's going to happen is Chain Link 1 will be Headbat, adding rematch. I mean, not rematch, add your copy of Rice Scorpio, since we have extra normal summon. Plus you want to get the search off the name. You can add either Guts or Rice Scorpio, since we didn't add that one. So let's go ahead and just add Rice Scorpio, if I can find him. Okay, there we go. Rice Scorpio. What's going to happen is he allows you to normal summon to his own extra. So we're going to normal summon Rice Scorpio and link for our copy of Powerload Ogre. So this is a less fierce version of the combo, but it still works. Effect Rice Scorpio, add rematch, activate rematch, summon 2 Gokis, so we'll summon the Octo Stretch, and we'll do Headbat, and then we'll just link them off. We'll make the Link Karibo, of course, and then make Virus Swordsman. Once we do that, we're going to summon Zero Day, link them, and you kind of see where it goes from here. You go ahead and just set up your Powerload Ogre. So you don't plus much in this combo. That's the only reason I don't like this combo, is because you don't plus. This summons those 2. You don't plus at all in this part of the combo. So if you're doing this one, this is basically the backup plan. If Isolde gets banned, or if you're not running Isolde, this is basically the backup plan. So that's about it for the deck profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys.